Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add a holiday list here in Zoho People. All right, so first up, go ahead and go to the left panel and click on Leave Tracker. All right, and here go to the top tab, and here we have holidays. Just click on it. Now go ahead and click on My Holidays. Right here we have the drop down or All Holidays. All right, and once done, you can go ahead and click on Add Holiday, or you can go ahead and select Holiday Gallery right here by clicking on this drop down. Okay. You can just go ahead and select your country. For example, you're from Philippines. Select Philippines right here. And here we have the available holidays for Philippines. For example, we have here the Independence Day, Bonifacio Day, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve. Okay, as you can see here, it's set to full day. If you want to, you could go ahead and set this one to first half or second half. All right. Or you could go ahead and enable all holidays right here. And once that's done, you can now go ahead and click on Add Selected Holidays. Now you can go ahead and choose which is this applicable for. Shifts, is, all shifts, all right, or general. Okay. Now go ahead and enter the classification. This is basically holiday. Or you can go ahead and select a restricted holiday. Now you can go ahead and type down the description. Okay, just basically add a brief description if needed and a number of days before when the reminder emails is to be sent. Maybe 1 day or 5 days or maybe a week. All right. And then once that's done, there will be a note right here. Shift-based holidays will override the location-based holiday. So basically click on Save. And once done, all of these holidays right here, selected holidays 21 has now been added. And there you have it. All right. That's basically it. That is how you add holiday list here in Zoho People. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.